Imagine a comfortable apartment that can drive through the harshest off-road terrain with enough energy and water to live for weeks far away from civilization. And all of this for the price of a regular SUV. Hello everyone! Quickly hit the like button on this video, subscribe to the channel, and let's begin the review of a true monster built for adventure. Meet one of the most exciting campers of 2026, a model from LiveZone called the Freedom Cannon A. The first thing worth mentioning is the most important part. This is not just a simple camper box mounted on a regular pickup truck. At the core of this vehicle is a specially reinforced chassis developed together with the automotive giant Great Wall Motors. Under the hood works what many call the golden combination, a powerful 2-liter turbo engine paired with a premium 8-speed automatic transmission. And thanks to its intelligent 4-wheel drive system and 2 physical differential locks, this machine simply doesn't recognize bad roads. The vehicle measures about 6 meters in length, a little over 2 meters in width, and almost 3 meters in height. These proportions allow it to combine the compact footprint of a pickup truck with a fully functional living module. The total weight of the vehicle is around 3.5 tons, and even more impressive is the fact that this camper can tow a trailer weighing up to 2.5 tons. That means you could easily bring along an additional trailer, an ATV, a boat, or even a motorcycle on your journey. Now let's talk about its off-grid capabilities, because this is where things get really impressive. The camper is equipped with a modern 48-volt energy management system and a massive 11.4 kilowatt-hour battery pack. On the roof, you'll find 560 watts of solar panels, but the real magic happens while driving. Thanks to an extremely powerful alternator, just 1 hour on the road can recharge about 3.6 kilowatt-hours of energy. Add to that a massive 180-liter fresh water tank, and suddenly you are fully prepared for a completely independent lifestyle far away from civilization. If we step inside, we find a space carefully designed for comfortable travel for 2 or even 3 people. The highlight of this layout is a giant L-shaped kitchen, something rarely seen in campers of this size. Along with that, there's an oversized refrigerator capable of storing enough food supplies for weeks of travel, and all your larger gear, camping furniture, outdoor equipment, or adventure tools can easily be stored in the spacious pass-through storage compartment, which is conveniently accessible from both sides of the vehicle. In addition to the interior kitchen, this camper also features an outdoor cooking area. That means you can prepare meals right in nature without even stepping inside the vehicle. This feature is especially popular among travelers who enjoy cooking in the fresh air. At the rear of the camper, you will find the bathroom area. It includes a sink, a shower, and a full toilet. There is also ventilation and a window for fresh air, helping maintain a comfortable interior climate. Another feature worth mentioning is the storage system. Beneath the floor and at the rear of the vehicle, there is a large pass-through cargo compartment with a capacity of about 660 liters. It can be accessed from the kitchen as well as from both sides of the vehicle, making it extremely convenient for storing camping gear, folding chairs, tables, or sports equipment. To ensure comfort in all seasons, the Freedom Cannon A is equipped with a diesel heating system that runs directly from the vehicle's fuel tank. It provides warm air inside the cabin even in cold weather. In addition, the roof is equipped with an air conditioning unit capable of cooling the interior while the vehicle is parked. The Freedom Cannon A is a compact yet incredibly functional expedition camper that combines the off-road capability of a pickup truck with the comfort of a small mobile home.